This is my morning ritual. I'm going to share my last rituals before I depart. I get up every morning in the same way. In bed, I wake up. How many of you want to wake up tomorrow? Right? With any luck, and maybe another way to look at it, I think the reason we wake up every day is we have an assignment. There's something here for us to do. There's no accident. We get to wake up today. And my hope is that you all wake up your consciousness and your body and your spirit even more tomorrow. If we do that every day, just wake up a little bit more. Think about the life that we're creating and the life we're modeling. We wake up, we're grateful, can be grateful for that breath, knowing again that as you take that first breath, there are people taking their last. So even with the challenges that face us, we can be grateful. And then if you're so interested in trying this on for size, you could say these words: I love my life. What are the words? And you say those words out loud as your feet hit the floor and you start your day. Now, I do one other thing in the morning that takes me 5 minutes that I call a code of conduct. And I actually brought it with me. I'm going to just very quickly share this with you. It's the morning resilience ritual. And for me, that means that I want to create an experience of living. I want to be the conscious creator of my own life experience. And so I sit quietly and I look at this list that's been around the world, around the globe. It's held together by, I don't even know what, tape and love. And I say this, always start in the same place. I experience gratitude today. I experience a positive and harmonious attitude today. I experience having a positive impact today. I experience peace in my body and my mind, my heart, my soul today. And I go on like that. And my original list, which was modeled actually after Ben Franklin's, something that Ben Franklin did many, many years ago. I go on for a little while, 3-4 minutes, just what it is that I want to experience for the day. Because this is like setting intentions. It's like creating a blueprint. If we wanted to build a house, we wouldn't ask the contractor to just show up and have a bunch of wood and hammers and nails delivered to the site, would we? No, we would create a plan, an architect's drawing for it, which is what this is. So this is what I invite you to do while you're here this week. You could do it.